Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Discover a tool that blends precision and strength for demanding garden tasks. The best Hori Hori knife stands out for its versatility, offering dependable performance for digging, cutting, and planting, making every outdoor project smoother and more efficient without added complexity. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. PERWIN Digging Hori Knife. The PERWIN Digging Hori Knife is designed for gardeners who want a single tool that can take on nearly every task outdoors. Its sharp edge, serrated side, and curved blade make it capable of digging, slicing, sawing, cutting roots, and even measuring soil depth thanks to the clearly marked inch indicators. The full-length stainless steel construction extends into a solid full tang, giving the knife outstanding strength and durability that holds up in demanding garden jobs. The wooden handle is comfortable to hold, with 3 metal rivets securing the blade firmly so it won't loosen or bend under pressure. Whether you're transplanting seedlings, dividing plants, or tackling dense soil, the grip stays steady and reliable. Adding to its practicality, the knife comes with a protective sheath that attaches to your belt or stores neatly in your workspace. With its bottle opener and multi-purpose design, it also doubles as a great companion for camping, fishing, and other outdoor activities. Number 2. Barebones Edged Hori Knife. The Barebones Edged Hori Knife is crafted with a rugged 4CR13 heat-treated stainless steel blade that offers dependable cutting force for gardening, outdoor work, and bushcraft. With both straight and serrated edges, this knife moves seamlessly from slicing through stems to sawing tougher roots. Its through-tang design ensures maximum strength, preventing the blade from ever loosening or separating from the walnut handle. The handle itself is dense, smooth, and shaped for comfortable, ambidextrous use, making it a practical choice for both right and left-handed gardeners. The concave blade includes clear 1-inch depth markings, which help with accurate planting and make it a reliable tool for measuring and weeding. It even features built-in functions such as a twine cutter and bottle opener. Whether you're prepping garden beds or taking it on a camping trip, the Barebones Hori Knife provides a blend of elegance, durability, and functionality that appeals to gardeners who appreciate finely crafted tools. Number 3. TONMA Cutting Hori Knife. The TONMA Cutting Hori Knife is built with professional-grade Japanese AUS-8 steel, known for its hardness, sharpness, and impressive edge retention. The 7.2-inch blade features a concave shape that excels at digging and scooping, with one sharpened edge for clean slicing and a serrated side for sawing through roots. Depth markers on the blade make planting bulbs or seeds much easier, helping you work with greater accuracy. Its spear-shaped tip adds extra versatility for prying or working in compact soil. This knife is designed for gardeners who need a durable, all-purpose tool that can handle everything from weeding and cutting to dividing plants and digging planting holes. Outdoor enthusiasts will also find it useful for activities like camping and fishing. Number 4. Coowolf Porcini Hori Knife. The Coowolf Porcini Hori Knife is tailored specifically for mushroom foraging, offering the precision and care needed to harvest delicate fungi without causing damage. Its curved stainless steel blade is shaped to deliver clean, controlled cuts, making it easier to collect morels, porcini, truffles, and other mushrooms in the field. The attached brush, made with soft boar bristles, gently removes dirt and debris while preserving the structure of each mushroom, allowing you to clean your finds immediately during foraging trips. The ergonomic handle helps reduce hand fatigue, which is especially valuable during long outings. Compact and easy to carry, the knife slips effortlessly into a pocket or foraging bag and includes a durable Oxford sheath for secure storage. For beginners and seasoned mushroom hunters alike, this knife offers a simple and efficient way to elevate the foraging experience, combining practicality, comfort, and thoughtful design. Number 5. L.DROPLET Planting Hori Knife. The L.DROPLET planting Hori knife is a versatile garden essential built for digging, cutting, transplanting, and slicing through tough soil or roots. Crafted from high-quality Japanese stainless steel, the full-tang blade delivers strength and rust resistance, ensuring it remains reliable through heavy garden work. The dual-edged design offers a sharp side for slicing and a serrated side for cutting through harder materials, while the curved blade and clearly marked depth measurements help with accurate planting. Its cord-cutting notch doubles as a bottle opener, making it useful beyond gardening. The wooden handle is shaped for comfort and includes 3 metal rivets that secure the blade firmly. Whether you're preparing garden beds or dividing plants, the grip remains steady and well-balanced. A protective sheath with a belt loop adds convenience for carrying or storage, and the handle's hanging hole makes organization easy. Choosing the best Hori Hori knife ensures your gardening tasks stay efficient, accurate, and enjoyable. With its durable build and multifunctional design, it brings reliability to every project. Let this dependable tool elevate your outdoor work and provide the confidence needed to handle everything from delicate planting to tough soil cutting.